I do not understand people that complain about one of the most ridiculous phrases. People actually believe this thing exists. You'll hear people say, when something bad happens, they'll erroneously say something like it's just human nature, or some people might say they don't understand human nature. I honestly cannot even stand people who talk like that, because let me ask you a question. If we are born into a society that feeds us the incorrect diet, gives us the worst examples of how to be on TV, that teaches us to constantly masturbate every day, or to have sex every day, and constantly release and constantly deplete our brain, and constantly using up all this energy in the lowest way possible. Where's the nature? And where's the human part of the human nature? There is literally no human nature there. I know it might be difficult for people to think like this, because they see all this, shady stuff going on around them. And naturally, you would think that if something tends to do something, very frequently, that is the nature of that thing. But you would be wrong. You'd be very wrong. There is no nature at all in the way we live. None.